Are you worried you're losing money with your GPU mining setup because of one simple oversight? I've been there too. As a seasoned miner, I've learned the hard way that even the smallest mistake can lead to significant losses. That's why I'm excited to share with you a critical GPU mining mistake that I've made myself and how you can avoid it. I've been into GPU mining for a while now, and I have to say, it's been a wild ride. I was so excited to get started, I dove right in without doing much research. I mean, how hard could it be, right? I bought some GPUs, set up my rig, and started mining. But as I began to dig deeper, I started to notice some subtle signs that something wasn't quite right. My rig was running hot and my hash rate was lower than expected. At first, I brushed it off as a minor issue, but as time went on, I realized that I had a bigger problem on my hands. I started to research online, looking for answers, but every solution I tried seemed to lead to more questions. It wasn't until I took a step back and re-examined my setup that I realized the root of the problem, but I won't get ahead of myself just yet. As I continued to mine, I started to notice that my GPUs were wearing out faster than expected. I was getting lower returns on my investment, and I was starting to get frustrated. I knew I had to find a solution, but I didn't know where to start. That's when I decided to take a closer look at my mining software and settings. It wasn't easy, let me tell you. I spent hours poring over forums, YouTube tutorials, and online guides. But slowly, I started to piece together the puzzle. And then it hit me. The mistake was staring me right in the face. I couldn't believe I had missed it for so long. The mistake was related to my cooling system. I had been using a cheap, generic cooling solution that wasn't designed for high-performance mining. It was a rookie mistake, but it was one that cost me dearly. My GPUs were overheating, which was causing them to degrade faster than expected. This mistake was costing me money, and I knew I had to fix it fast. So I took a closer look at my cooling system and realized that I needed to upgrade to a more robust solution. I invested in a high-quality cooling system, and it made all the difference. The aftermath of this mistake was significant. I had to replace some of my GPUs, which was a costly endeavor, but I learned a valuable lesson. Attention to detail is crucial in GPU mining. A simple oversight can lead to significant losses. So what was this mistake? It was using inadequate cooling solutions. It's a simple mistake, but it's one that can have serious consequences. If you're using a cheap cooling solution, you're putting your GPUs at risk. To avoid this mistake, make sure you're using a high-quality cooling solution that's designed for high-performance mining. It may seem like a small thing, but it can make a big difference in the long run. In fact, proper setup and maintenance are crucial for successful and profitable GPU mining. By taking the time to research and invest in the right equipment, you can avoid common mistakes and maximize your returns. Understanding and preventing this mistake is crucial for successful and profitable GPU mining. By sharing my experience, I hope to help you avoid the same pitfall. If you've made a similar mistake, share your story in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to my channel for more GPU mining insights and mistake prevention guides. We've got a lot of great content coming up, including a deep dive into optimizing your mining software for maximum efficiency. And if you're interested in learning more about GPU mining, check out our previous video on building a mining rig on a budget. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.